Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and let me share with you how to soft reset or actually force restart your device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. All you have to do is to press the power button, which is located right here, and volume down button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons simultaneously. And of course we will make a screenshot, but just ignore it and keep pressing the buttons, and we had the information that it will be shut down. We've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. We've got also the charging icon, and probably we will have to manually turn it on. So just press the power button. Probably I did not press it for long enough, but no worries, you can quickly and easily fix it just by pressing the power button. And we've got the developer's logo, which means that our device will be turned on in a second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.